Hello everyone, welcome to Logic Sensei, your go-to place to master logical reasoning. Let's jump into the next question of JIPMAT 2021 question paper. And this is a very interesting question, trust me. So let's go over the question. This question is based on the information given below. The six faces of cube are painted in a manner that no two adjacent faces have the same color. The three colors used in painting are red, blue, and green. The cube is then cut into 36 smaller cubes in a manner that 32 cubes are of one size and the rest of the bigger size, and each of the bigger cube has no red side. How many cubes only have one side colored? Okay, I have written down the given. So just three statements are given to us. One, that the cube is painted with three colors, red, green, blue, and no two adjacent sides have same color. And the third is the cube is cut into 36 cube. 32 are smaller of one size and 4 are bigger and they don't have any red side. Okay, key to solving cube's question or this question is visualization. You should be able to visualize exactly how your cube is looking and exactly where the cut is for us to generate 36 cube. Let me help you a bit in visualizing. Now, since the cube is painted with three colors and no two adjacent sides have same color, that means the opposite sides are of same color. Let me give you the visualization of the cube. So here it is. Your cube is painted in three colors and no two adjacent sides have same color. So here your front and back are red colored, your top and bottom are blue colored, your left and right are green colored. We now understand how a cube looks. Now we should understand how is it cut. For illustration purpose, I have put an example. If you can see, if your cube is cut into 3 by 3 by 3, you will get 27 smaller cubes of one side, but we do have 36 smaller cubes. So let's think how your 4 by 4 by 4 cube looks. It has 64 smaller cubes. Now, what I can understand is there are definitely 4 cuts on a side, and that's the reason why we are getting number of cubes greater than 27. Now it's mentioned that there are 36 cubes, right? And 32 are smaller, and the bigger cubes have no red side. Hence, both the red side have smaller cubes only. Okay, so what if the red side is cut in a 4 by 4 manner? Okay, so that leaves us with 16 cubes on one side of red, and similarly on the bottom also we'll have 16 cubes. Okay, so that will itself will make 32 cubes. So your middle part will consist of 4 cubes, right? Hence this will be 1 cube. Okay, the cut is such that there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes in the middle. As you can see, our cube is exactly going to look like this. As discussed, the red sides will have 32 smaller cubes, okay? And the bigger cubes, which are 4, are going to be in the middle. Now let's solve the question. How many cubes only have one side color? The bigger cubes will all have two-sided color, as you can see, blue and green. The only red colored cubes are the one that you see. I'll mark it as X. So these are the 4 cubes on the front side and similarly 4 cubes on the back side which will have one side colored. Hence there are 8 cubes. Your answer is D. Thank you everyone. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe to Logic Sensei.